Hi friends, Sheila here with Homework Remodels and Tri-Light Builders. Back at our job site again today. Coffee and construction in Willo, our historic neighborhood, episode 22. We have some fantastic tile progress to show you today. I can't wait to show you around the space. Friends, here we are in the master bathroom, and this is the master bathroom tile floor. Oh my goodness. We brought in just a hint of Spanish Colonial to create a more Spanish modern space in this home, but goodness, looks so beautiful. This pattern tile will coordinate our paint color, our cabinet color, our countertop color, our shower wall tile color. Oh, she's just so great. You can see here we've got all of our tile prep work done. So the concrete board is done and all the waterproofing of the seams is complete. Our two big beautiful windows, and then our shower niches are in. Oh, they're gonna look so good. So I was over here with our homeowner picking out grout colors today so that we could get just the right color for our floors and our walls. But doesn't this tile look fantastic? It goes from here into this water closet. Oh, it looks so good, friends. These spaces are just shaping up so nicely. I'm excited to show you now into our guest bathroom space. Okay, friends, we're walking in here. Dan with Carlson Tile is over here setting tile in this guest bath shower. And you guys, this green from Bedrosians Chloe is so fantastic. Isn't that just a gorgeous tile? Nice big niche there on the back wall. And Dan is doing a fantastic job setting everybody up level, square, and plumb, so that this shower looks so good. We picked a nice dark grout color for this shower. Oh, it's gonna look so good. I'm just so excited for it. I'm gonna watch Dan for just a second because the master at his craft. So good. Okay, friends, we let Dan keep at his work, but this is our pile of tile. It's all going to be going into these beautiful spaces. This is going to be the floor in that guest bathroom with that green tile and the shower walls. Oh, they look so good together, friends. I will be excited to share you their finished progress. Oh, friends, I can't help myself. I just love this kitchen so much. She looks so nice, and she's not finished yet. She's got crown molding to go in. She's got some panels on the sides of this cabinet, on this wall cabinet to go in, but she's made such great progress, and these cabinets are just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So I'm gonna close you out for today for Coffee and Construction in Willo, our historic neighborhood. Thanks for being on this journey with us. We really appreciate you being here. Take great care of yourself. You're the best you've got.